Well, I'm doing what my son Jamie has asked me to do, and that's doing more recipes that are child friendly. And hopefully it will encourage the children to eat a little healthier, maybe. So I'm actually making a recipe out of the red cookbook. This was my first one, and then I think the yellow one was my second. I might be confused on that though, y'all. But anyway, have you ever gone to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich and open the peanut butter jar only to find a smidgen? Well, you can easy enough make your own peanut butter. And we're going to do that. Now, the children definitely will need adult supervision on this because that blade is so sharp. It will cut your fingers off. So I'm going to use, how many peanuts am I using?
2 cups.
I thought that looked like more than a cup. 2 cups of salted peanuts, and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Seems like we'd need butter, doesn't it, to make peanut butter? Sounds goofy, doesn't it? Whoa! Somebody had hit the on button. It may have been me. I said somebody might have hit the on button, and it could have been me. But we're going to just chop these until they're smooth. And in the meantime, I'm going to core some apples because we all know how delicious peanut butter is on an apple. Look at this lemon. That's half a lemon off of our Meyer tree. Wow. It produces a lot of juice, y'all. So I'm just going to toss that in there. And like I said, that'll prevent them from turning dark on us. Okay, here we go. We're cranking it up again. I'm actually going to take a spatula, y'all, and make sure everything has had an opportunity to run through the blade. I'm going to turn it off and add a half a teaspoon of salt. And it's getting pretty smooth. But I'm still going to run it again. It's good. But you know what? I think I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. And that looks like a tablespoon to me. It should be good enough. And by me adding another tablespoon of oil, it made it a little smoother. Maybe I should have added just a teaspoon because this is really gushy but good. I'm going to, I probably should have just used a teaspoon of oil, but it was really, really dry with just 2 tablespoons. So next time I make it, it's been a long time since I made this, but next time I make it, I will add the 2 tablespoons of oil and 1 extra teaspoonful. So here's a real test, y'all. Ooh, it's like a dip. you're trying to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich and you ain't got no peanut butter, and you don't have to get in your car and go to the store, maybe except to buy peanuts, then while you're there, you can pick up some peanut butter, right?
That's so much better for you.
Mm-hmm. Yes, it's really, really good. But don't do like I did and add 3 tablespoons. And I'm double dipping, y'all. So write me in and fuss. Okay, John, I hope you approve of this recipe because it's really good. Love and best dishes to all of y'all out there. Okay, y'all. Before I say goodbye for the last time, I'm going to go back and show y'all where I added some more peanut butter to make up for the oil. So this is the consistency of more like the peanut butter that you'll buy in the jar. But I like the other two as a dip. But it would be way too thin to try to put it on a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. So I just want to let y'all know, if you want a thin for a dip, add less oil. If you want, add a little bit more oil. If you want it really thick, like that last batch, add less oil. But it's delicious on an apple. So I'll just stir those two together. And it's going to get probably thicker, wouldn't you think, Eddie?
No.
I don't either.
I think if it cools, it will.
Yeah. Because it's warm after being in the food processor. Okay, one more time. Love and best dishes, y'all.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.